Hello everyone, here is a short 10 lines essay on Mahatma Gandhi. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father name is Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi. His mother name is Putli Bai. His wife name is Kasturba. People call him Bapu with love. He is considered as father of nation. He started Champaran movement in 1917. He led non-cooperation movement in 1920. People uphold his morals and values. He firmly believed in ahimsa or non-violence. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Check out my other videos as well.